Hello everybody, welcome back. Train yard. Caboose! There's a caboose! Oh my gosh! There's a caboose in that train yard. Oh my gosh. Kansas City Southern! Oh my gosh, a Kansas City Southern BNSF. Finally, Canadian Pacific. Whoa. Oh, I think I saw Norfolk Southern. Did I? There's a little caboose. Oh no, is that a CSX? I'm glad we got a Canadian Pacific. Norfolk Southern! Finally!
Wow.
Yeah, wow, cool. Oh my goodness, there's a lone Norfolk Southern right there. Mom, look it. There's a lone Norfolk Southern engine right there.
I see a little like light.
Light?
See?
Oh yeah, I do.
I don't know what it is.
Look at that. That is so cool.
It's a train.
A train? I know. Why wouldn't a light in a train yard not be a train?
But I don't know what it is.
It's a train, okay?
I don't know what kind of engine.
Well,
It's like a...
this is the Chicago Canadian Pacific Yard. Well, it's near Chicago. Oh wait, there's a crane thing in use. Whoa. First Canadian Pacific. I don't think we have a Norfolk Southern, so it might be our first Norfolk Southern. I can't believe it. This is my favorite part about train yards. Second Kansas City Southern. First Canadian Pacific. And I'm guessing first Norfolk Southern.
I don't know.
Yeah. All right, folks. See you next time. Bye.